राम ये अभी तक
तुम रूठा ना करो मेरी जान।
आगे सब लोग आ जाइए, हम लोग इतने ही
रेडी?
हैं। आउट।
जय सीधा खड़ा ना, एम दिखना चाहिए।
अब पूरा बराबर दिखे।
रेडी?
Cheers. तू ए ढक रहा है, तू एस ढक रहा है।
Cheers.
એટલે ભાઈ પ્રોડ્યુસર સાહેબને વચમાં બોલાવો ને.
नहीं बस मेरा
આપણે તમને વચમાં બોલાવો
टाक टाक
પરિતોષ પરિતોષ
पहले वाले
આના
पहले वाले
Yes.
हाँ अभी 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 जो खुले रखे
कर रहे नहीं कर रहे
कर रहे थ्री तो सिग्नेचर है।
पराग ओके
थैंक यू.
એક મિનિટ બૂમ બૂમ લે બૂમ
हाँ तो भाई और बहनों, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं हम सब फोटो खींचने के लिए खड़े हैं लेकिन कोई खींच नहीं रहा है।
और माइक रख के पहली बार फोटो खींच रहा हूँ।
साउंड वाला नमस्कार।
How excited are you all about the premiere of the show?
एक मिनट वापस पूछो।
How excited are you all about the premiere of the show?
मैं नहीं बताऊंगा। परितोष will tell. Our writer director.
Really, we all are very excited to be on stage now. We've got a great team, so it's going to be great fun. I'm sure once you watch it, you'll know the excitement, the energy one needs to put in. So yes, we are very excited, and we are excited to be associated with Coconut Theatre. And Keyur bhai, thank you.
And the name itself says, right? 3 cheers. So, you know, the pathos.
3 cheers! We are live! We are alive! And we are kicking! Open the curtain! Open the curtain!
We are that excited.
How do you feel? Your contained excitement.
Yeah, I'm trying to contain it with more than excited, nervous, because it's a massive play, and we've had a lot of fun rehearsing. But आज पता चलेगा हम कितने पानी में या कितना अच्छा कर रहे हैं. So yeah, super excited and nervous more than that.
A lot of nervous excitement, same what Shweta told me, and for me this is like, you know, it's trying something new. Absolutely, I'm like a small fry in this ocean, and I'm trying to grasp from them as much as I can. I'm extremely nervous. कितना भी experience क्यों ना हो आपके पीछे, but boss, when you're here, आपकी अंदर से ढीली हो जाती है. So yeah, I'm nervous and excited both at the same time. God bless us all.
ये तो सा-
इसके बोल के बंद हो गई.
It feels very good, but all these men, you know, they compete with these legends compete with their acting abilities. So good looks doesn't matter on stage, because on stage there is no retake. So we are all
Play
working.
one take, okay.
We are all working hard towards it, and after this excitement, to show any excitement would be less. So this madness is what we need to show it to the people today.
Tell us more about, you always been in theatre, it's been your passion area, so tell us about the play and something more about it.
No, about the play, I think one should see it and judge it for themselves. But yes, I'm very passionate towards theatre, and I think theatre is my stress buster. So I was really stressful in life, and I thought, how do I get out of this? So theatre is, I'm very excited, and you know, it's my stress buster, like I said. So yeah, excited to go on stage, and it's been 7.5 years since we actually have performed last on stage. So after 7.5 years, nervous but excited.
How did you zero in on this cast?
I think they zeroed in themselves, because without them this would have been incomplete. Actually, the three of us have been together, Jayesh, myself, and Ballu, and Vishal has been a part of most of my production. Sangeeta is the new one in the cast. Shweta, we've done a play together, Selfie, and she also was a part of See No Evil, Hear No Evil. But Sangeeta is a new one, so you know, you need to ask her how she feels fitting in the team. So
Don't even ask, please.
Jayesh, your thoughts?
My thoughts. So this play is very close to me. I am speaking over here. Normally, I play the dumb guy, so I don't speak throughout on the stage. Like
Dumb
you
as in
asked-
someone who can't speak.
Mute, I did not.
That's what I said. I'm speaking right now. On the stage, they don't let me speak. So, yeah, that's what my character is.
Okay, how do you feel by being bringing this whole team together, being associated with Parimal?
वो तो आज पता चलेगा.
See, we've done a lot of.
Say 3 cheers. That's
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
1, 2, 3. 3 cheers!
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so
God bless.
much.
God
all
bless.
of
God
you.
bless.
Enjoy the show.
Yeah.
You going to do some picture of your eyes? closed?
Yes.
So कान पे
सुनिए ना, next time से ना, ये जो है ना, ये भी एक और सेट निकलवा के रखो.
वहाँ
वो
भी खड़े
पकड़
रह के
के-
कर सकते हो, मेरे को पिक्चर मिले.
हाँ, चलो.
यस, क्योंकि जब जब प्रीमियर हुए हैं तो मेरे प्लेस के जब होते हैं तो स्टेज के पीछे होते हैं, और पिछले करीबन 40-45 साल से थिएटर कर रहा हूँ. आई हैव डन मोर देन 200 प्लेस, 5000 परफॉर्मेंसेस. लास्ट प्ले था मेरा रॉन्ग नंबर, और उसके साथ साथ मेरा बिंदु दारा सिंह के साथ था गोलमाल. और अब ये टीम मेरी बहुत पुरानी है और मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्तों में से हैं ये लोग. एंड I really look forward to their new plays because they are all so talented, और इतना wacky, इतना peppy play होता है इनका कि I'm really looking forward to see this play also.
Sir, can you give your best wishes to 3 Cheers and to Coconut Theatre?
Yes, definitely. 3 cheers to all the team. मेरे सब दोस्त हैं. मुझे एक का नाम भी अगर मैं भूल गया तो इसलिए मार पड़ेगी, इसलिए मैं किसी का नाम नहीं ले रहा हूँ. पारी और जितने भी बाकी टीम के लोग हैं उनको बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ और बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ कि 3 cheers हमेशा कई सालों तक ये आपस में मनाते रहें और हर शो के बाद ये 3 cheers बोलें.
आपका नाम and my best wishes to Coconut.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, my name is Rajesh Puri and और क्या जानना चाहेंगे. मेरा पहला सीरियल हम लोग, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, जो 35 साल पहले इंडियन टेलीविज़न की शुरुआत थी जिसके साथ, और अब मेरी आई हैव डन मोर देन 130 फिल्म्स और सीरियल्स किए हैं. अभी लास्ट मेरा परवरिश, उसके बाद कसम, शक्ति, और अभी चल रहा है संतोषी माँ सुनाए कथाएं, वो सब चल रहा है अभी. और मेरे 2 सीरियल लेयर पे आने वाले हैं, कुछ फिल्में हैं. तो थिएटर में अभी कर रहा हूँ और आगे भी करता रहूँगा, मरते दम तक करता रहूँगा. That's my wife, and she has been always my backbone in the whole affair. हमारे शादी को भी 35-36 साल हो चुके हैं. And I am Rajesh Puri, and I am wishing all the very best to 3 Cheers team. Best of luck. Thank you.
3 Cheers Coconut Theatres. सच्चाई की बात तो ये है कि आई एम कमिंग आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम टू सी ए प्ले, बट आई हैव हर्ड सो मच अबाउट 3 Cheers एंड कोकोनट थिएटर्स, तो मुझे लगा आना ही चाहिए. जनरली ज़िंदगी में लोगों को हंसने का मौका बहुत कम मिलता है, जैसे मेरे को भी बहुत कम मिलता है. हम बड़े सीरियस रह के ऐसे फेस बना के रहते हैं, बट आई फील कि जब भी कभी लाइफ में हंसने का मौका मिले तो इंसान को ज़रूर आना चाहिए. एंड टुडे आई हैव कम टू विटनेस दिस लवली प्ले 3 Cheers. तो मुझे उम्मीद है, आई एम क्वाइट कॉन्फिडेंट कि यहाँ से बाहर निकलूँगा तो ज़रा ब्रॉड स्माइल के साथ बाहर निकलूँगा. सो माई ऑल द बेस्ट विशेज़ फॉर कोकोनट थिएटर्स and the play called 3 Cheers. So hip hip hooray, and hip hip hooray, 3 Cheers. Thank you very much.
सर आप इधर आ जाओगे फुल लेंथ के लिए.
संध्या पीछे क्यों तुम खड़ी हो? तुम भी आओ, कमाल कर रही हो. हाँ, मैं इतनी पीछे
आजा
खड़ी हो.
अनिशा, you come.
Any questions, or should we just?
How did you feel to be here today for 3 Cheers?
Well, I'm very excited to come for Three Cheers. Paritosh is a very dear friend of mine. In fact, Jayesh, Palu, I mean, all of them are a dear friend of mine. Paritosh and me, we just made our first Gujarati film. Very excited. And I was part of Paritosh's first film which he directed called Paying Gas. So I'm very excited here to support him. And I know all his plays are like, I mean, hilarious. So I can't go inside and wait to watch this play.
Same here. I'm really excited. I think I'm coming for a play after a really long time, so I'm really looking forward to it. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can you please tell your names and say best wishes to Coconut Theatre, please?
Hi, this is Vatsal Sheth.
Hi, this is Ishita Datta.
And we wish Coconut Theatre and Three Cheers all the best.
All the best.
About Paritosh is whatever he does, he really celebrates it. If it's a film, the premiere, if it's a play, I mean that's I think so encouraging for actors, for filmmakers, for technicians. You know, when you actually go out there, you celebrate this craft. And lots of power to Paritosh, lots of power to Sangeeta, Shweta, and everybody who's in the play. I think they're kick-ass actors, and I'm going to have a lot of fun. So I'm watching my show right now, so you guys definitely come and catch the show. And cheers to Coconut Motion Pictures for their upcoming film. All the very best. Thank you. Hi, and best wishes to Coconut Theatre. Cheers.
Actually, I know the entire team because this was the same team we were working for Partners. Except Sangeeta, everybody was part of Partners, Trouble Over Double, and fortunately I've worked with each one of them personally. So I know their caliber of plays, and I'm looking forward for really 3 cheers after the play. So all the best, Paritosh, Shweta, and the entire team, Balupaji and everybody, and 3 cheers for them.
3 Cheers to Coconut Theatre.
I am Vipul Roy, and 3 cheers for Coconut Tree. Thank you.
Yeah. So really excited for this premiere as being from a theatre background, बहुत दिनों बाद एक play देखने आई हूँ मैं और बहुत excited हूँ, comedy play है. So looking forward to it, and Sangeeta is a very close friend, and I am cheering for her. So just looking forward to watch 3 Cheers.
All the best, team.
Yeah. Thank you.
हेलो सो अभी 3 दिन पहले मैं रिहर्सल पे गया और मुझे तब तक तो सिर्फ ये पता था कि संगीता कर रही है. उसके बाद पता चला कि जितने हैं बाकी सारे के सारे उनमें से एक को छोड़ के मैं सभी लोगों को जानता हूँ. और पारितोष जो है वो इतने सालों से थिएटर कर रहा है, एंड इतने सालों से लोगों को एंटरटेन करना और अपनी जगह बनाए रखना इज़ नॉट एन ईजी जॉब. और मेरे ख्याल से मेरे आसपास के सर्कल में सभी उसके साथ एक ना एक बार तो काम कर ही चुके हैं. So yeah, I'm excited to see इस बार वो क्या नया लेकर आया है. Hi, my name is Varun Barola, and my best wishes to Coconut Theatre.
Your best, say your name and say best wishes to 3 Cheers.
Hi, my name is Ravi.
Hi, my name is Valerie. All the best, 3 Cheers.
All the best for 3 Cheers.
All the best for 3 cheers. Yeah.
आप बताइए ना, how do you feel about coming to the premiere of 3 Cheers?
It's always nice to come for Paritosh's plays. It's always funny, and this time, since the poster looks so attractive, we thought we'll get Valerie with us, like our daughter. She's 8, and he said that you must get her because it's funny. So I'm really looking forward to watch it.
I've known Paritosh since college, and उसके हर जोक पे हम हंसते थे. उसका चप्पल भी निकल जाता तो हम हंसते थे. तो उसके हर प्ले में उसका एक वो सिग्नेचर वो रहता था कि हर प्ले में आगे चले जाता, चप्पल पीछे रह जाती थी, समथिंग लाइक दैट. So I've seen all his plays and I've really laughed like mad. So I always ask him, what is the next one? He say, aayega. So again, I'm very excited. 3 Cheers is here and I'm very happy for him. All the best to everybody here. Thank you.
Can you say your name and say 3 cheers to Coconut Theatre?
Okay. Hi, my name is Karan Uday Janjani. All the best and 3 cheers for Paritosh.
All the best.
Thank you. बिल्कुल ठीक. How are you? मुबारक. जी.
कैसे लग रहा है आपको 3 cheers के film?
मुझे याद है कि बहुत साल पहले मैं इसका इंग्लिश वर्जन देखने आया था और हंस के मैं लोटपोट हो गया था. उम्मीद है ये हिंदी वर्जन है और उतना ही मज़ा आएगा या तो डबल मज़ा आएगा. So looking forward to it and 3 cheers to the whole team and all the best. Thank you. Okay. Hi, I am Ayub Khan and 3 cheers to Coconut. Okay. Hi, I am Ayub Khan and 3 cheers to Coconut Theatre. Thank you.
That Paritosh, Bittu and Jayesh are coming back on stage. It's about time all three of them get together. It's about time we get great theatre like this. So we're waiting and watching something great. Coconut Theatre, okay. I'm Rahul Gomes. 3 cheers to Coconut Theatre. Hip hip hooray. Okay.
You know Paritosh Painter since Shagun days. I know him since 2000 और ये 2020 है. It has been so many years. Paritosh और हम लोग शगुन के दौरान शूट कर रहे थे and he used to tell his ideas about play and all that. तो मुझे लगा हाँ लड़का कुछ कर लेगा. Bang शगुन के बीच में अमेरिका चला गया, वापस आया और 2005 से मैं उसके plays देख रही हूँ. I come for all his plays, you know, and it's superb. And पारितोष को I think all the best बोलने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. उसके सारे plays सुपर डुपर हिट होते हैं और मैं तो बस ये सोच के आती हूँ कि आज तो बेटा मैं बहुत हंसने वाली हूँ. So anyways, 3 cheers to 3 cheers.
One last line. Hi, my name is 3 cheers to Coconut Theatre.
Coconut Theatre. Okay. Hi, this is Surbhi Tiwari and 3 cheers to Coconut Tree.
हाँ जी, कोई पूछेगा?
Tell us about how you feel about being at the premiere of it.
I think ये सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ ये है कि that we have premieres for theatre plays also, you know, stage plays के लिए भी premieres होने लगे हैं. That's the best thing because normally people used to think theatre मतलब हाँ मतलब कोई ऐसे ही low budget चीज़ है. So I'm very happy that in theatre, in stage plays also we have premieres now. So that's pretty a good feeling actually.
So good luck to 3 cheers. 3 cheers to 3 cheers. Okay.
Okay.
Say your names and say 3 cheers to Coconut Theatre.
Okay. 3 cheers to Coconut Theatre. Okay.
Your name you missed.
My name is. Hi, this is Anoop Soni. 3 cheers to Coconut Theatre.
Hi, this is Juhi Babbar Soni and 3 cheers to Coconut Theatre.
It feels great. It's a friend and I'm here to see her perform. और बहुत ही कमाल की परफॉर्मर है. मैंने उनके पहले भी प्लेस देखे हैं. उनको टीवी में हम सब ने देखा है. मैंने उनका एक इससे पहले जो प्ले उन्होंने किया था मैंने वो पहली बार उनको प्ले करते हुए देखा और एंड शी वाज ट्रेमेंडस. शी वाज अमेजिंग. सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू वॉच एंड हैव सम नाइस फन. बहुत सारी मेहनत करके आ रहा हूँ तो अब खूब सारा हंसूंगा यहाँ पे. थैंक यू.
Can you say your name and say 3 cheers to Coconut Theatre?
Hi, this is Shalin Bhanot and I'm here to see 3 cheers. 3 cheers.
Hi, I'm Tusha and Zahan. And we are so happy as we are geared up to watch this beautiful play, 3 Cheers. And seems very interesting as the production has already made a Gujarati film and Gujarati films already have a lot of authenticity. So we are really keen to watch this play and thanks a lot. Yeah.
So guys, we are very excited for such a lovely poster I can see behind me.
Yeah.
3 cheers.
It looks
So
like a
we can
comedy,
cheers
out and out
afterwards.
comedy, yeah.
So it's good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Just two pictures.
Um,
Just stand a little ahead, then do a photograph.
all right, yeah. Okay, yeah.
So, this is the first time I'm here watching this show. A very close friend of mine, Shweta, she is performing, so I'm especially for her. And I'm really looking forward to the whole show actually. And I'm going to watch a play after a very long time, so I'm really excited. Let's see now. Yeah. Okay, my name is Mustafa, and 3 cheers to Coconut. Okay. Hi, my name is Mustafa, and 3 cheers to Coconut Theatre. Thank you so much. Yeah.
खूब शुभेच्छा उन दोनों को, परितोष को और सेजल को बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ उनके इस नए प्ले के लिए 3 चीयर्स। और हमारा संबंध काफ़ी पुराना रहा है, बहुत पीछे जाना पड़ेगा। जब परितोष ने अपने करियर की शुरुआत की थी, कैंपस नाम की एक सीरियल थी जिसमें हम सब लोग इकट्ठा थे, और फिर हम धीरे धीरे वो एक्टर भी बना, प्रोड्यूसर भी बना, उसकी पिछली पार्टनर में मैंने काम भी किया, और एक खूबसूरत प्ले लेकर वो लोग आ रहे हैं। एंड मैं पूरे ईश्वर से पूरी दुआ करूँगा कि वो इस प्ले को बहुत ज़्यादा सक्सेस दे, बहुत ज़्यादा शो हो और बहुत ज़्यादा हिट हो। थैंक यू। Okay. Coconut Theatre. Okay. Hi, this is Rajendra Chawla. 3 cheers for Coconut Theatre.
Best wishes?
3 cheers and Coconut Theatre.
Okay. Hi, guys. I want to wish Paritosh all the very best. Coconut Theatre and 3 cheers. All the very best. Thank you.
3 cheers.
3 cheers.
3 cheers.
हम देखने
Enjoy
आए हैं।
3 cheers.
आप भी इंजॉय कीजिए और हम भी इंजॉय करें। अच्छा। और कोकोनट थिएटर, बनवारी झोल, 3 cheers by Coconut Theatre. Sorry sir.
2. Okay.
3 cheers to Coconut Theatre. अच्छा। 3 cheers to Coconut Theatres. बनवारी झोल शुभकामनाएं देता है। थैंक यू।
हाय नमस्कार, मैं हूं गुलशन पांडे और 3 cheers for Coconut Theatre. All the best.
I myself Deepak Raja and congratulations to Coconut Events for 3 cheers.
3 cheers.
थोड़ा आपके स्टाइल में हो जाए।
थोड़ा आपके स्टाइल में।
और गुरु ਚੱਕ ਦੇ ਫਟੇ ਨੱਪ ਦੇ ਕਿਲੀ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਜਲੰਧਰ ਸ਼ਾਮੀ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਖਟਾਕ ਠੋਕੋ ਤਾਲੀ 3 cheers ਫਟਾਕ।
चलो।
Thank you.
Hi, my name is AJ Amit Jadhav and 3 cheers for Coconut Theatre. Cheers. All the best.
3 cheers हुआ। तो एक बार और 3 cheers हो जाए for Coconut Theatre. जोरदार।
3 cheers for Coconut. Sorry, once again.
Yeah, again.
3
3
cheers
cheers
for Coconut
Theatre.
Theatre. All the best.
Thank you.
मुझे चाहिए